Hey there everyone, welcome to Technisha. In this video, I will show you how to make one of the most popular data visualization charts, the pie chart. Here is a data for sales of various segments of white goods in a company. The data shown in this table can be represented using a pie chart. Click somewhere within this table, go to Insert tab, go to the pie chart section and click a 2D pie chart. Now in the chart design, I like to see the percentages as pie chart does it inherently, and let's select this. I'm going to resize the chart now to see it more clearly. There you go. Now you can see the breakdown for each segment in the pie chart without us calculating the percentage. However, it is not very clear. A better way to represent this chart is first by sorting the data of sales in increasing or decreasing order. So let's just click here. I'm going to sort based on sales as largest to smallest and say OK. Now this is a slightly better representation. As you can see, the television is the highest selling component with 32%, followed by refrigerator, mobile phone, microwave, and so on and so forth. We can still represent it slightly better by changing the chart type. So let me just click on the table again and I'm going to insert another pie chart. Let me choose this one. Now let me select this type and again increase the size. Yeah, we don't need the legend here, so I'm just going to remove the legend so that we got more area for the chart. This gives a slightly better representation as the bigger elements are in the main chart and a smaller section of 3 different segments which comprise only for 11% is kept separately. Pie charts are a useful tool to visualize data which has a single column of numbers. However, the limitation of pie chart is you cannot have too many rows, as this will crowd the chart and hence make the data unreadable. To get a better representation of the data when you use pie chart, it is always better to sort the data either in increasing or decreasing order. I hope that this video is of use to you. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. Till next time, ciao.